What's up guys, it's Katt here and welcome back to another video and happy Pride Month! Woohoo! In today's video, I'm going to show you this Pride look number 1. I'm very excited for you guys to see the behind the scenes of this look. In-include ko sa video na to kasi nag-fail yung first option ko and then I redo some parts on my face para mangyari tong look na to. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. First, I'm going to outline the fizz on both cheeks. I'm using a brow pencil from EB Advance. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Glam and Polish Butter Eyebrow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. So this is currently my favorite brow pomade because it's easy to use, has amazing color payoff, and it's super cheap. So to clean up my brows, I'm going to use my current favorite concealer. This is the saem or saem, I don't know how to pronounce it, the Cover Perfection Tip Concealer. To set my brows, I'm going to use this BROWTIFUL Brow Fixer from XOXO Cosmetics. For the first palette, I'm going to take this Jeffree Cosmetics JAWBREAKER palette and I'm taking the shade Yellow. And for the orange, I use the Morphe 35B Color Burst palette. And going back ahead to the JAWBREAKER palette and taking the red shade. And I'm just cleaning up the creased area using the Nivea Eye Makeup Remover. So for the cut crease, I use the LA Girl Pro Coverage Illuminating Foundation. So for green and blue, I use the Snoe Beauty Primaries Paint Palette. For violet, I use the Morphe 35B Color Burst palette. Then I'm applying the green, blue, violet shade under my eye. To bronze up my face, I'm using the MURUMURU Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. So to paint the flags, I'm using the Jazzy France Flash palette. To outline the fizz, I'm using this Snazaroo Face and Body in black. So halfway through the process, I'm not sure if I will continue this look. I don't know, it feels right in my mind to have the rainbow fizz on the middle. I am happy about the look, but a while ago when I was taking a selfie, it looks weird because it's in the middle. I look like a clown, I don't know. But the second option that I've been thinking about is here, fist holding a rainbow flag. And it took me 1.5 hours to fix it, and I tried to call my boyfriend and best friend to help me out, and they finally convinced me to switch to plan B, and so I did. And after 8.5 hours, this is the finished look. I am happy and sana ito talaga yung ginawa ko kanina pa instead yung ginawa ko kanina. Oh my god, it took me so long to decide. So, ayan. So, shout out to my boyfriend and my best friend for helping me out. Talagang kanina medyo natagalan talaga mag-contemplate whether I will continue to do the first look or yung first option ko or this second option. So, yeah. Masaya naman ako. But, yung sa imagination ko lang kasi medyo iba. And anyway, I'm very happy about this look right here. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed watching it, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell button to get notified every time I'm uploading a new video. I'll see you guys on my next one.